Good question. Why was that guy on trial? Like, why was he being accused? And also, why did everybody love Joffrey? I heard he's a cunt.
Yes. But the is a long.
Alright, well, I guess I gotta start watching. Although, by the time I catch up, which will probably be over co-op, they'll probably be finished with the season and I'll be in a reasonable place to stop. Not just in the middle of it, you know.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Basically, Joffrey was a little cuck,
Mhm.
but he was also the king. So
How did he get to be the king if his grandfather and father were still alive?
so there was the king, something Baratheon,
Mhm.
and Joffrey. I'm gonna ruin things for you.
That's alright.
Okay.
Not a spoiler.
Joffrey, he was the woman that was sitting on the throne, Cersei, or not sitting on the throne, but sitting off to the side.
Yeah, that they kept panning to?
Yeah. She was Joffrey's mom. And she was the wife of the king before Joffrey, something Baratheon.